Students of class 10. Today we will read and discuss the last part of the text from the diary of Anne Frank, right? In the last class we saw that Mr. Kissing gave an assignment, right, to Anne to write on the chatterbox, and whatever Anne completed with a very good argument, right? Now, then what happened? That we will see today. Mr. Kissing had a good laugh at my arguments. Means her teacher, Mr. Kissing, loved after reading her arguments, her comments, her interpretation, her conclusion. But when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. But after that, when Anne Frank proceeded, means continued to talk, to chatter in her way, to talk in her way through the next lesson, the next class, he assigned me, means her teacher gave her a second essay. This time it was supposed to be on an incorrigible chatterbox, means kind of chatterbox that cannot be corrected, kind of bad quality, right? Chatterbox means talking which is not good. So her teacher gave her or assigned her one essay on an incorrigible chatterbox, one chatterbox that cannot be corrected, one talkative student that cannot be corrected. I handed it in, and Mr. Kissing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. So then again she wrote and handed it to Mr. Kissing, and then Mr. Kissing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. However, during the 3rd lesson, he had finally had enough. So after 2 lessons, again, then he was annoyed because Anne was continuously talking. Anne Frank, as punishment for talking in class, write an essay entitled "Quack, Quack, Quack," said Mistress Chatterbox. So then he gave one assignment, okay, to write an essay on the title "Quack, Quack, Quack," said Mistress Chatterbox. Means here chatterbox refers to Anne Frank, right? So kind of she is saying quack, 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 kind of noise that is generally made by the duck, right? The class roared, means the class loved, okay, loved. I had to laugh too. Again she also had to laugh, though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of chatterboxes. Then when her teacher assigned her the essay, she already wrote 2 times, so she had lost her originality, inventiveness, creativeness to write on the topic of chatterboxes. It was time to come up with something else, something original. And she thought to write something fresh, something new, something original this time. My friend Sane, who is good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay from beginning to end in verse, and I jumped for joy. So again another name that we are getting, Sane, who was very good at poetry, at writing poetry, poem, okay, or poetry, offered to help me. So offered to help her to write the essay from beginning to end in verse. Verse means in poetic form. in the form of poetry. Okay, and I jumped for joy, and she jumped for joy. Mr. Kissing was trying to play a joke on me with this ridiculous subject. He's trying to pull her legs, right? Trying to make fun of her. But I would make sure the joke was on him. But Anne was also sure to give it back, to make fun of her teacher. I would make sure the joke was on him. So, trying to play a joke, and Anne was also ready to play the joke on her teacher. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. Then she completed her poem and that was very beautiful. It was about a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they quacked too much. So, how comically she presented. There was a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings, 3 babies who were beaten to death. So, beaten to death, काट के उसको लोगों को मार दिया था. तो beaten to death by the father because they quacked too much, because they used to quack too much. That's why their father means beat them and end up they were dying and also died. Luckily, Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way. Means fortunately, Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way. He read the poem to the class, adding his own comments and to several other classes as well. Then she read out the poem to class and to other classes. Since then, I have been allowed to talk and haven't been assigned any extra home task. After that, Mr. Kissing understood and did not assign any home task to her for talking. On the contrary, on the opposite side, Mr. Kissing's always making jokes these days. Mr. Kissing makes jokes these days when he teaches, right? Yours and so here she is finishing her diary, extracted from the diary of a young girl. So that book published by her father with slight adaptation, slight change, slight adaptation, adapted version. Now oral comprehension check. Why was Mr. Kissing annoyed with Anne? Very easy question. What did he ask her to do to write essay? How did Anne justify her being a chatterbox in her essay? How did she justify that? First of all, she said what kind of inherent quality, and also said it was a kind of natural thing to a child, and we have already discussed. And do you think Mr. Kissing was a strict teacher? And what made Mr. Kissing allow Anne to talk in class? Last paragraph. So the way she presented, right? So that allowed Mr. Kissing to that's why Mr. Kissing allowed Anne to talk in the class. Then thinking about the text that you will do one by one. Okay, that's all. Thank you.